Hello everyone, this is part 3 of C programming language series. In this video we cover decision control structure like if statement, if else statement, nested if else statement, else if ladder. The decision control structure. We want a set of instructions to be executed in one situation and a different set of instructions to be executed in another situation. This kind of situation deal with decision control instructions. So the if statement, the if else statement, and the conditional operators. So the if statement. The if statement consists of a Boolean expression followed by one or more statements. Here is the syntax of if statement. So here if this condition is true, so here given in the some condition and check this condition will true, the statement this statement will be executed. Here is the simple example, small example of if statement. If age is less than 18, so the person is minor. So this is a small program of if statement. Here these are the header files. This is the environment function. Here we assign 15 to age. Here age is an integer type of variable. So we compare 15 if 15 less than 18. So this condition is true. So here the message will print person is minor. So this statement will be executed. The if-else statement. If the text expression is true, the true block statement is executed, else true block statement is skipped and false block statement is executed. So here this is the syntax of if-else statement. If text expression, in this expression this condition will true. So this true block statement will be executed if this condition will be false. So the control switch to the else part and this false block statement will be executed. So here given two blocks, true block and false block. So this is example related to if else statement. Here we we use a and b two variables integer type and assign value a equal to 15 and b equal to 20. So we store 15 in A and 20 in B. Here we compare 15 greater than B means 20. So this condition is false because 15 not greater than 20. So this statement will not executed. So the control pass to the else part. So this statement will be executed because this condition is false. So the false statement will be executed. So B is greater than A. It means 20 is greater than 15. Okay. Nested if else statement. If expression is false, then statement block 3 will be executed. Otherwise, the execution continues and enter inside the first if to perform the check for the next if block, where if expression 1 is true, the statement block 1 is executed, otherwise statement block 2 is executed. Okay, so this is syntax of nested if. So here if in if part, here this condition will be true, so the control pass inside the if expression means in nested if. So the condition this true, so this expression will check inside the if condition. So if this expression will true, so this block 1 executed. If this condition false, so the else part will be executed. Okay, suppose if expression false, so control pass to the else part. This is the outer part. Not this is the inside inner part. This is the outer part. So if this condition will false, so the control pass to the else part and the block third will be executed. So here this is example of nested if else statement. Here we um, declare three variables a, b, c integer type. Here printf show the message enter three numbers. So we give three numbers using keyboard. Suppose 1, 2, 3. We enter three numbers 1, 2 and 3. So the 1 will store in A, 2 will store in B and 3 will store in C. So here the value is stored 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Here first condition will check A greater than B means 1 greater than B. So here this condition is false because 1 not greater than 2. Okay. So this statement will not executed. So this statement also not executed. So the control pass because this condition is false. So control pass to the else part, outer part. So the control pass to the this part. So here b greater than c means we store two value in b and three value in c. So here 2 greater than c. So this condition is also false. This statement will not be executed. So the else part means the false part because the condition is false. So the false part will be executed. So the c is greatest. So we enter three value in c. So we store three value in c. So three is greater than greatest. Okay. Else if ladder. The expression is tested from the top of the ladder to downward, means the condition will check from top to the downward. As soon as a true condition is found, the statement associated with it is executed. So one more condition will be checked in this if ladder, else if ladder. So here if expression 1 is true, so this is statement block will be executed. If this condition is false, so the control pass to the if else. So this condition also will check if this condition is false, so this statement will not execute and the control pass to the next if else if and the condition again check in expression 3 if this condition is true, so this condition will be executed. If this condition also false, so the control pass to the else and print the default statement. So this is program of if else ladder. Here int a, here we declare integer type a variable. Here enter a number. So we enter a number. Suppose we enter 20. Okay. So here scan 20 means the 20 value will store in A. So here we check 20 divided by 5. So here equal to 0. It means it should be equal to 0. So we divide 20 divided by 5. Here the remainder will come 4. So here the 20 the 4 is not equal to 0, and here this is the logical operator and. So in end both condition must be true. So here the 20 divided by 8. So here the outcome or result not equal to 0. So both condition false. So this statement will not be executed because divisible by both 5 and 8. So this condition not true. Here the control passed here. So 20 divided by 8 equal to 0. So 20 divided by 8. So the result of 20 divided by 8 is equal to 0. So this condition also false and this expression will not be executed. So the control again pass here and check 20 divided by 5. So the result is not equal to 0. So this condition is also false, so this statement will not be executed. And the control pass in default, so the 20 not equal to all these statements, so the default statement will be executed in last divisible by none. Okay, so here we check one by condition here. So here and this is a uh, logical AND operator. So here we both condition must be true. If one condition is false, this statement will not be executed. Okay, so this is program of if else if ladder, right? So if you have any query related to this video, so you can write in comment box or you can mail to me. Thank you.